Good morning everyone, this is Vijetha. Today I'll be showing how to prepare contract file for the new order. Come to the server folder in that companies, then come to the GC. GC we have received the order for the Mowgli Lab. So I have to search for the Mowgli Lab folder, select it, then to the contract, then the 25-26 contract file, then the order we have received for the vein separator. So I have made the folder for the DC 252601D. Then come to the correspondence. In correspondence, I have saved the PO copy and the proposal copy. First, we have to open the proposal copy and the PO copy so that we can enter the proper detail and the activity sheet and the final agreement. First, we have to complete the activity sheet, which I already entered it. Today's date we have to mention, then the party name, then the party PO number and the date. Then receiving purchase order date we have to mention the sign of the person who is the responsible. We have to mention the initial for that. Then the review of the PO, the marketing and sales department, date and initial. Once it is completed, then we have to close, then come to the final agreements. Final agreements we have to mention all details like date, client name, proposal number, contract number, then the PO number and the date, then negotiated by the person, the salesperson. Then the product name we have to mention it is vein separator, so I have mentioned the vein separator with the dia and the thickness. Delivery terms we have to give till the FOI side, then the billing address, then the shipping address we have to mention how they are mentioned in the PO. Like say for example, they have mentioned Mowgli Labs, the billing and the shipping is also same. So we have mentioned the same thing in our final agreement. Then come the quantity. In quantity, we have to mention the when separator type, quantity, price, each. Okay. Then the delivery dispatch date. It has been mentioned in PO. The same thing we have to mention the FAQ. Then packing and forwarding, it is inclusive. So we have mentioned the inclusive. Then GST, guarantee period. Then the payment terms. Then the PBG if it applicable. Then we have to mention it. If not, then not applicable. And LD clause. Then the TPI. Then the additional remark. In additional remarks, we, if anything is revised, it has to come. Or we have sent the changes is required from the client. Then we have sent the mail. So we have to mention in the additional. Then the prepared by the person name and approved by the TL name. We have to mention. Thank you.